Does your lipstick always turn dry, crusty, and also looks very unflattering? Well, liquid lipsticks tend to do that because to make the property of being transfer proof, it can get really dry. Follow along for 7 tips to make sure that your lipstick looks perfectly flattering. Tip number 1, you always want to apply some kind of gentle moisturizer to the lips like a lip balm and apply it liberally. Follow this with exfoliation of your lips to remove any dead skin cells so that your lipstick application is smoother and the lipstick doesn't cling onto the dead skin. A baby toothbrush or a tongue scraper works really well for this step. Follow this again with some liberal application of a lip balm or moisturizer. Make sure to leave it on for at least 10 minutes. I usually like to finish my makeup during these 10 minutes so that the lip balm sits on my lips. Make sure to dab off the rest of the balm, otherwise the liquid lipstick formulation changes and it can transfer. These 2 steps help to make your lips nice and smooth and the lipstick application is flawless and it doesn't stick to any of the dead skin on your lips. Tip number 2, don't use your lipstick wand as a lip liner. It's hard to control the shape of the lip using the wand, and there's a greater likelihood of the lipstick spreading, smearing, and you not having the perfect lip shape. After following the first step of applying the moisturizer and dabbing it off, make sure you start lining your lips. Always follow the shape of the lips, and you can also do the overlining of the lips in this step if you wish. Also, focus on getting the Cupid's bow shape right, which is the top of your lip area. Another area to focus is the outer corner of the lips. This step helps to make sure that the lipstick stays within the borders and doesn't smear, spread, or lose the lip shape. Now, all you have to do is to fill in the lips with the lip color of your choice. In this way, there's a less likelihood of messing up the lip shape and messing the entire look that way. This also helps to make sure the lipstick stays on longer. If you always get lipstick on your teeth, here is my little hack for you. Put your index finger in your mouth and pull it out. That's it. The lipstick won't get on your teeth at all. This hack may look super weird, but it really works. Try it out. Tip number 4, do not apply too much lipstick at one time. This will cause your lipstick to become very clumpy and it may also peel. Also, never press your lips right after applying lipstick, especially liquid lipstick. Take off any excess lipstick on the edge of the bottle and just apply one single layer of lipstick. Let it dry and then apply the second layer if needed. You don't have to apply too much at one time, and you should definitely not purse your lips until that lipstick has completely dried. Once you have applied the thin layer, it's okay to purse your lips and it won't come off or it won't get clumpy or peel. Next tip is if you have darker lips or if you have pigmentation on your lips. You want to apply some kind of a base such as a foundation or a concealer on your lips to make it into a neutral color and then apply your lipstick. This will make sure that the shade of the lipstick pops and then you're able to see the actual original lipstick shade. This actually helps to apply nude colored lipsticks as well. Tip number 6 is especially if you've applied dark lipstick. You want to line it with a concealer stick or a highlighter stick. I prefer using a concealer stick to get the perfect shape, especially when applying any brighter or darker lipsticks. But make sure to always blend the concealer into the rest of your skin so that you're not seeing just one bright line around your lips. But look at how it just makes the lipstick shape so flattering. Tip number 7, never ever take your lipstick off just using a dry wipe. Always apply some kind of a moisturizer or a lip balm onto your lips. Wait for a few minutes so that the lipstick is dissolved in it and then take it off. Always follow that with applying another layer of lip balm or lip moisturizer so you get nice soft lips at all time. Thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe and hit that like button and the bell icon to get notifications. Also find me on Instagram. Bye!